Unit 1, Activity 9.
It's time to learn English, our chance to get ahead. It's time to learn English, our chance to get ahead. Hear a story, learn a song, buzz and hum them all day long. Hear a story, learn a song, buzz and hum them all day long. All day long, all day long, all day long. Crack a puzzle, play a game, read a book and light a flame. Crack a puzzle, play a game, read a book and light a flame. Light a flame, light a flame, light a flame. Act a role and pen a rhyme. Let's change our lives. Yes, it's our time. Act a role and pen a rhyme. Let's change our lives. Yes, it's our time. It's our time. It's our time. It's our time. Our time to learn English. Our chance to get ahead. Our time to learn English. Our chance to get ahead. Our chance to get ahead. Our chance to get ahead.
Hello friends, how are you?
We are fine. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Today we have two new friends in class, Gattu and Guppy. Let's meet them.
Hello everybody.
I am Gattu.
I am.
અરે you are Guppy. Oh Guppy, હવે તો હદ થઈ ગઈ. You forgot your name.
Yes, I know. શું કરું? Last evening I went to the દૂધવાલા but ભૂલી ગઈ કે હું શું લેવા આવી હતી. પાછું ઘરે મમ્મીને પૂછવા આવવું પડ્યું. મારું તો હોમવર્ક કરવાનું પણ રહી જાય છે.
Oh, that's not good. Yes, I have solution for you. You should write a daily diary.
What is a diary? Will it help me? What should I do?
તારા બધા સવાલોનો જવાબ તને મળી જશે. એની માટે આપણે ક્લાસમાં જવું પડશે.
તો રાહ શું જોવાની? Let us start.
So, let's help Guppy. She can use a diary to remember things she has done. This is a diary. Notice, it looks like a book. You use it to write what you did during the day in it. Here, look at these blank lines. You can write here. Generally, a diary has special spaces where you can fill in the date, the day. Sometimes there is a section for time also. Some diaries are daily diaries, like this one. You can record your everyday activities there. Some diaries are weekly diaries. You can record activities of one whole week together in such diaries. You can also use diaries to plan for future activities. Such diaries are called planners. You get weekly planners, monthly planners and yearly planners. કેટલું મદદરૂપ થાય આપણી માટે? પ્લાનરમાં આપણે આખા દિવસમાં શું કરશું તેનો પ્લાન કરી શકીએ છીએ. એમાં આપણે લખીએ કે કયા ટાઈમ પર શું કરવાના છીએ. હવે આપણે જુદી જુદી ડાયરીઝ જોઈ. લેટ્સ લુક એટ અ ફિલ્ડ અપ ડાયરી. There is a young girl, Archana. She is just like you. She has filled up her diary. Let's look at it. Here it is. Look, the date is 29th. Come on, let's read the diary. I was at home till the afternoon. My mother had made delicious halwa in the morning. I ate 2 plates full of halwa. Now the next entry is for Monday 30th. Let's read that. I went to school today and then I enjoyed tasty roti and vatananu shak in the recess. I shared it with my friend Neeta. Now let's read what Archana did on Tuesday. I went to my father's farm after school. I had fun playing there. I liked climbing the trees. હવે આગળ જોઈએ. મજાની ડાયરી લખે છે ને અર્ચના? Let's read Wednesday's details. I went to my uncle Kalpesh's house. It was my cousin's birthday. I enjoyed eating gulab jamuns there. There is no entry for Thursday and Friday. But Saturday seems a little busy. Let's read it. I went to school. After that, I came home and had lunch. Then I went to the market to get some sugar. My mother had also asked me to get some oil, but I forgot all about it. So I had to go back. In the evening, I played badminton with my friends. તો આ હતી અર્ચનાની ડાયરી. Did you enjoy it? તમને પણ લખવાનું મન થઈ ગયું ડાયરી? હવે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, લાસ્ટ વીક એવું થયું કે ડાયરી લખતા અર્ચના અમુક ઇન્ફોર્મેશન ભૂલી ગઈ, આપણા ગપીની જેમ. But her mother helped her to remember it. Let's watch the conversation between Archana and her mother.
Mummy, please tell me, where were we the last Sunday?
We were on the farm.
Oh, yes. What was the name of that big tree?
Big tree?
One near the well.
Yes, that was an amla tree.
Okay. Where was I on Friday afternoon?
On Friday? What was the date?
It was the 11th of this month.
We were in the Doodh Sagar dairy.
And Mummy, on the 12th?
You and your friends were at the library.
Oh, yes, I remember now. I was there with my friends. And on the 10th of this month?
On the 10th of this month, you were at the doctor's clinic.
Yes, but I will not write that.
Why not, beta?
No. It was a bad experience.
But it was a real experience. So please do write it.
એની મધરની હેલ્પ લઈને અર્ચના has written all that she did during last week. Here we find the entry for last Sunday. I went with my mother and father to the farm. There was a big amla tree there. I enjoyed eating the amlas. Look, she's drawn the picture of an amla tree. Did you notice, children? Archana has written the date and the day on the top of the page. Below that, she has made a drawing. She has also described what she did on that day. પણ 10th આટલું બધું એક્સાઇટિંગ નહોતું અર્ચના માટે. Let's read. I had high fever, so I could not attend school. I had to go to the doctor's clinic. I hate medicines, so it was not a good experience. પણ આ medicines ખાઈને તે ફટાફટ સારી થઈ ગઈ. Let's see what she did on the 11th. I was at school in the morning. Then in the afternoon, I went to the Dudhsagar dairy with my parents. I enjoyed looking at all the big cans of milk. The whole of 12th was spent at the library. I was at the library. Nisha was also with me. We had to finish our science project work. But I saw a very interesting storybook and I started reading that. તમારી સાથે પણ આવું જ થાય છે ને? લાઇબ્રેરીમાં જાઉં છું કામ કરવા, પણ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટિંગ સ્ટોરી બુક જોઈ લીધી એટલે વાંચવા બેસી જાઉં. રાઈટ? અર્ચનાની ડાયરી તો આપણે વાંચી લીધી. Now let's see how much you remember. Okay. Where was Archana on the 12th? Where was Archana on the 12th? Where was Archana on the 12th? જો તમને જવાબ યાદ હોય તો તમારા ટીચરને કહી દો. Okay, let's look at the diary again. Archana ક્યાં હતી? At the library. So what is the answer?
Archana was at the library on the 12th.
Very good. Okay, next question. When did Archana go to the farm? When did Archana go to the farm? Think. Kyare? Remember? Okay, let's look at the diary again. So what is the answer?
Archana went to the farm last Sunday.
Good. Now let's go to the next question. What were Archana and her friends doing in the library? What were Archana and her friends doing in the library? Think. Remember? Let's look at the diary. But I saw a very interesting storybook and I started reading that. So what is the answer?
Archana and her friends were reading a book in the library.
Yes, very good. Now the last question. Who went to the Dudhsagar dairy with Archana? Who went to the Doodh Sagar dairy with Archana? Think. Okay, let's look at the diary. In the afternoon, I went to the Doodh Sagar dairy with my parents.